There's one very dangerous hadith. Sayyidina Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he was not even able to mention that properly whenever he was to mention that. He will faint before telling that hadith. Once somebody asked him, and he fainted like 3 times before he got the courage to tell that hadith. He said that Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said that the first 3 people on the Day of Judgment who will be thrown into the hellfire will be an alim, in another riwayat, a qari of the Quran. Second, a person who died in a battlefield. And number 3, a person who gives a lot in charity. First 3 people, not a kafir, not a mushrik, not a zani, not a person who didn't used to pray. An alim / qari of the Quran. 2, a person who died in the battlefield. Number 3, a person who gave a lot in charity. Why? Because when they will be brought in front of Allah on the Day of Judgment, Allah Ta'ala will ask them, what did you do with those blessings that I gave you? And they will say, Ya Allah, I learned ilm, or I learned Quran for your sake, and I taught it for your sake. Or I went in the battlefield for your sake and I died. And Ya Allah gave a lot in charity for your sake. And Allah Ta'ala will say to all of them, Kazabta, you are a liar. You are a liar. And the angels, it says in the hadith, all the angels who will be standing there, they will all say, liar, Kazabta. And Allah Ta'ala will say, you did not do it for my sake. You did it, why? Because you wanted that people get to know about your ilm. People call you Maulana. People call you, oh, what a qari you are. People call you, oh, what a brave man. People call you, what a generous man. You are a liar. And then Allah Ta'ala said, you got what you wanted. People call you Maulana, people call you qari, people call you shaheed, people call you generous man. I have nothing for you anymore. And they'll be thrown into the hellfire. In one of the riwayat, it says that the fire of Jahannam will be lit with these 3 people. In other words, they'll be the fuel to the fire. Waliyazu billah. So please, let's all become people of ikhlas, sincerity, and inshallah it'll help us to become a good human being.